Hello, in this video lesson we'll be looking Shiva Stotram melody. So we are in the key of A. So we have second fret on the third string. So we just go down up picking with second fret on third string. So we go. So I'm just palm muting the third string as well here. And you can do some staccato on that second fret, then you'll get that feel also. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So we have that riff also starting on the same second fret of third string. Then we go 3 3 0 3 back to first note. So sorry. So it will be so that keeps coming that melody. So you gotta try doing with that. So then you can use some power chords also for like that on that. So on the distortion you can use that. That is on the fourth string 7 9. Then we go 8 8 5 8 back to 7. So you got to plug fourth and third string together there. So that's the thing with the power chord. And when the vocal part, so you gotta just go with down up picking on the second fret. So then we go that 0 2 3 on the third string only. So then we go, sorry, so this part here now 2 and 3 to slide from 6. So then we come back to 3 on the third string. Then we go 0 3 2. So once again. Then again when we start the next line we gotta come back. So same way, but we gotta start with open. So here we gotta pause on that 3. So then we go to 3 2 on the third string. So whole thing will be. Then keep that. Going after that vocal part also. Yeah.